Okay, so part 3, we have the horizontal asymptotes of a rational function. Let n be the degree of the numerator and m be the degree of the denominator. So if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, the horizontal asymptote is 0. And if they are equal, then the constant of the function is the horizontal asymptotes. Okay, and if n is greater than m, it means that the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, then there is no horizontal asymptote. For example, for some illustration, find the horizontal asymptote of this function. Okay, so yung degree ng numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. Therefore, the horizontal asymptote is the constant a over b, or 4 over 1, or that is just equals to 1. So y equals 4. Okay. Then another one is find the horizontal asymptote of this function. So the same, pareho sila ng degree sa x. This one of degree 2, degree 2. So it means that the horizontal asymptote is 2 over 3. So that is y equals 2 over 3. Okay, next, we have this function. So the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. It means that the horizontal asymptote is equal to 0, y equals 0. Okay, and we have this function. Hanapin natin yung horizontal asymptote. So the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. So it means that there is no horizontal asymptote of this rational function. Okay, going back here, how to find the domain, the y-intercept, x-intercept, the vertical asymptotes. So horizontal asymptotes, tapos na. At saka yung range. Okay, na-discuss ko na rin yan in the previous video lecture. Okay, sketch the graph of this function. Find the domain, the image, and the asymptotes. Also the intercepts. Okay, so we can obviously see here the domain. The domain is the set of all real numbers except um, 1/2 and -4. So kapag isulat natin in interval form, okay, ganito yung um, ating domain. So kapag isulat mo naman in set inclusion, so yan yung sinabi ko kanina, or kagaya ng nasa first video lecture natin. Okay, in y-intercept, from the original function f of x, we let x equals 0 para makuha natin yung value ng y. So 0 yung x, yung y is 3, 4. Okay, in x-intercept naman, or the zeros, okay, this is different method than what we use in the first and second video lectures. Okay, follow lang natin ito. So 3x plus 1, equate natin sa 0. This implies to x equals -1/3, and also this one, yung numerator, equate natin sa 0. So we get x equals 3. Okay, and in the asymptotes, the horizontal asymptote is 3, y equals 3 over 2. Okay, since pareho sila ng degree, both numerator and denominator. So we just write the numerical coefficient of the numerator over denominator. And in the horizontal asymptote, I mean in the vertical asymptote is yung domain natin, 1/2 at saka -4. Okay class, sa pag-graph nito is, okay, mag-assign ka lang ng value dito sa x to solve or to obtain the value of y. We can replace f of x here as y. So y equals this rational function. So gagawa ka ng table of values, mag-assign sa x to determine the value of y. Okay, so hindi na pinakita dito sa ating table. And okay, we have this graph of the rational function. Okay, I hope you can follow my video, and if you have still questions, you can just directly drop your message through Messenger or in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching.